15 years ago, you serenaded me over the phone. A Tagalog love song. Akala ko una, ringtone lang siya. Pero since mali-mali yung lyrics mo, doon ko na-realize na ikaw pala talaga yun. And I was laughing so hard that time. Pero napatigil ako nung sinabi mo, hoy, it comes from the heart. And that's what you've been giving me ever since. Your heart. Your whole heart. And that heart stayed with me when I was at my worst. When I was rebellious, lost, and fragile. An impulsive young girl that gives you nothing but headaches and hangovers. But still, you saw the woman I become. And instead of walking away, you waited patiently, quietly, and faithfully. You believe in me. Because true love isn't about perfection. It's about grace of God, love of God, and our faith in God. This day, this love is a miracle that I prayed for. I cried for. And I patiently waited for the longest of times. And I'm thankful kasi bilang isang lalaki, pinili mong mas maging tama yung pagsasama natin. Para sa akin, para sa pamilya na binuo natin, at higit sa lahat, maging tama sa mata ng Diyos. God bless my marriage, Ma. Samahan mo ko mamaya maglakad, ah. Alam ko naman na ito lang yung inaantay mo. Sorry kung wala ka na. Pero alam ko babantayan mo ako all throughout my marriage life and yung family life ko. Alam ko na lagi mo kami binabantayan ng mga bata. Thank you, Ma. Thank you. Kasi pinili niyong maging buo yung pamilya natin, kaya pinipili ko din maging tama yung relasyon na meron ako ngayon.
Tama.
Kasi pinakasalan mo si Mama. Hanggang nawala si mama, kayo pa rin. Yun yung nakalakihan ko, kaya gusto ko ganun din yung magiging pamilya ko.
Hi, Be. We're finally married. We might have taken the long way, pero sabi nga nila, di ba? Where's the thrill of taking the shortcuts? Every steps of our journey has been worth it. The laughters, the adventures, the kids, everything. Our love is the truest testament of what real love is. It has been tested by challenges, weathered by storms, but through it all, we are here together and stronger than ever.
Garrett, do you take Sherwin here present as your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Around the world, but I got so lost. So I sold my gold and I never look back. Ain't no future living in the past. Gotta jump right in, baby, hold on tight. Everything
Sobrang ganda mo today. I can't wait for tonight. Kaya please, don't drink too much at the after party. Kasi drunk or not, alam mo na, walang makakapigil sa pagmamahalan natin tonight. I love you. I will always love you. And I promise to keep choosing you. Just as I have for all these years. You are my greatest love. My forever.
Need a big revelation. Everybody keep looking for a sign. But who knows when the wind gonna blow? The best miracles always take more time. Happiness, no, don't.
Nawa, manatili kayo palagi sa pag-ibig. Nawa hubugin niyo ang inyong puso sa pagmamahal. As our gospel tells us to always remain in His love. And remaining in love is your mission every day in your life as husband and wife. This is the most important decision that you should have every day, to remain in each other's love. Because by remaining in each other's love simply means remaining in God. Because God is love. And that love is defined as your friendship with God.
Oh, there is nowhere that I'd rather be. Oh, it goes on and on. Oh, it's where we belong. Oh, this moment that we're lost in, ever more than I imagined. Our forever, oh, has just begun. My only one, I can feel it in the mystery. Every step in, every heartbeat, to forever, you and I.
Sherwin, ang dami na nating pinagdaanan. Mga pagsubok at unos na pinatumba talaga yung pagsasama natin. Maraming beses natin piniling bumitaw. Maraming beses din tayong sumuko. Maraming beses din nating sinubukang maghiwalay for good. Pero hindi tayo binitawan ng Diyos. That every time we let go, gumagawa siya ng paraan para manatili tayong matibay. Gumagawa siya ng dahilan para mapag-isa pa rin tayo. Kahit mahirap, kahit magulo, kahit nakakapagod, kahit imposible. God knows we're worth it.
I can feel it in the mystery. Every step in, every heartbeat, to forever, you and I will run. My only one. My only one.
Sherwin, mahal na mahal kita in every chapter, in every version of us, and in every lifetime. Ikaw at ikaw pa rin.